Must have been against the ice water.
Oh, yeah?
That feels wet. Old and wet.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, so we are leaving the Twisted Sisters Frio Canyon Motorcycle Stop Bent Rim Grill. What do they say? They call it the, I can't remember. What's the term? Like, stop, motorcycle stop, something, I don't know. Alright. So, pretty much right after you leave Lakey, you want to have your cameras running. Little piece of advice: if you're a camera operating fool, because if you're headed south out of Lakey on 3, or if you're headed west out of Lakey, it doesn't take too long, and you make these awesome curves, and the rocks are freaking right by your head. Making those curves, pretty neat feeling. Are you strapped in, baby?
Yeah, I had to put my foot up. It scraped on the ground.
So this is probably one of the best sections of road, one of the most entertaining sections of road I've ever been on. We're about to run into the back of a pickup, because I doubt he's going that fast. Yep. Kinda figured as much.
He's going to the river. He's got bogies.
Yeah.
I think one of them's giving us the finger.
The finger? So one of the worst things that can ever happen on an amazing motorcycle ride is to get stuck behind slow moving traffic. Guess what? We just got stuck behind slow moving traffic.
Is it a good spot for me to kind of adjust to my seat?
As soon as we come out of these next couple curves.
Okay. Kind of got jerked around a little bit because my foot rubbed the pavement.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Still a beautiful ride.
Yeah, very pretty.
Even if you're not balls to the wall.
Don't have to haul ass, honey.
Don't have to haul ass to have a good time?
That's right.
What? What kind of nonsense is that?
The nonsense that happens when you get old.
Wasn't that awfully nice of him? And this section of road is the roller coaster ride. There's a lot of this right in this section on 337 headed to Camp Wood from Lakey. I call it the roller coaster. we were going so fast the last time through these big dips that it actually turned my camera up.
Oh.
See how much it just roller coasters?
Yeah, that's cool.
Now you want to use some wisdom because there's roads that come in, and if you're going too fast, somebody could easily pull out in front of you and they would have never seen you on a motorcycle.
Yep.
So you got to use your brain, baby.
That's right. Use your noggin.
All right, you ready?
Okay.
Woo! Kind of fun.
Makes my butt vibrate.
Butt vibration.